morning, everyone. It's time for the explanation of this chapter. So, I hope you all have done the activity. So, send me the answer soon. Okay, student, I've told you that this is a play or a drama, you can say. A drama or play is very different from the type of story or the chapters you did previously. As you can see, characters' names are given, and then the dialogue or statement said by them is given in front of their name. And dramas are always divided into scenes. So in this drama or in this play, we are having four scenes. So today we will discuss two scenes, and in the next video we will discuss the rest two. Okay, so what is important characteristics of a play? Let's discuss this first. A play must have audience, a play must have a plot, a play must have a stage, curtain, script, characters. All these are the characteristics of a play. So here you can see characters given, list of characters are given. But before we start this play or we talk about this play, I want to ask you a question that just imagine that one night or one day the household items in your home came into a life one night or one day. Yes, they came into a life means they started talking to each other like we do. So what do you think they would talk about? Just imagine this, because the same thing we are going to see in this play. We are going to see a family called Saha's family, and they are moving from one place to another place. Right now they are living in a Bhagalpur, and now they are moving in a small flat to a small flat in Patna. So what happened actually in this play, that the household items came into a life and they started talking to each other, and they were so worried because they don't know whether they are going with the Sahas family to the new house, or they'll be left behind, or they'll be sold to another family. So they started talking to each other that night. So let's start this play. We'll start from the list of characters. As you can see, Manak, whom everyone loving calls Chotu, then Mrs. Saha, an ex-mother, Mr. Saha, an ex-father, Rocky, grandfather's rocking chair, Woody, the old bookshelf of Manak, Great's grandmother, Mr. Freeze, the refrigerator, and Star, the TV. So these are the characters list, and as you know, I've told you that the play is always divided into the scenes. So right now we are going to see the first scene, and when the curtain opens, the first scene is, we can see it is from the Saha's living room. Yes, you can see over here. Family is doing something, they are discussing, I think they are packing their household items, their belongings, because they are moving, as you know. So let's see what Mr. Saha is saying. Mr. Saha, we must work faster. There are many things to pack. Chotu, please put your toys into this cardboard box. And Mr. Saha is saying that we have to work fast because we are moving. And Chotu, and he said to Chotu, Chotu means to his son, that you should uh, put your toys into this cardboard box. Mrs. Saha. And what she said then? Please don't take all those toys, Chotu. You hardly play with them any longer. Now she is saying that don't take those toys which you do not use, which you do not play with. So any longer means not anymore. Means you do not play anymore with those toys. So please do not take them with us. And please put all those is old school books into the donation pile where we are giving them away. Means she said that all the old books which they are not going to use should be kept into the donation pile. Donation pile means, as you know, donation means when we will give something to others, uh, to help them. So they are going to donate these books to some to someone. So it means they are not taking the old books and old toys with them. Chotu, what he said? Yes, Mama, right away. Mr. Saha, what should we do with the bookshelf? Now, Mr. Saha is worried about the bookshelf. He is not able to decide whether he should take the bookshelf with him or he should leave it here only. So he said, what about the bookshelf? And what is bookshelf? It is a shelf where we keep the books. Mrs. Saha, what she said? It may be best to give the bookshelf away. It is old and doesn't look very nice. She said we should give this book shelf to somebody we will not take with us because the bookshelf is very old and it will not look nice into our new house. Chotu disappointed. Disappointed means sad. Chotu became very sad when he heard that his mama is saying like this. But ma, we should take along Woody. Take along means to bring something with one to another location. Means he wanted to take the Woody. Woody, who is Woody here? Woody is a bookshelf. So he wanted the Woody to be taken with them. And then he reminds that Baba, didn't you tell me once that it was your Dida's favorite thing? Means he reminded his father that you told me once that this bookshelf was your Dida's. Dida's means your daddy's favorite thing. So how could you leave it over here? She used to love to read and that's where she kept all her books. Mr. Saha, I know, dear, but we hardly use it these days. It will take up so much of space there. Remember, our flat in Patna is much smaller than this house. Now, I was saying that he also wanted to take this bookshelf along with them, but what is the problem? Problem is that their flat in Patna is very small as compared to this house. This house is big, but now where they are going to move, that flat is very small. So they are taking only very selected items they are taking with them. Mrs. Saha, she said, yes, that's true. We will not have space for all these old furniture. He said all these old furniture we can't take with us because there is a space problem in the new house. Something are too big. Something are just too big for the flat. Means some items are very big for the flat and they cannot take them with them. Take those items with them. Mrs. Saha, looking at Mr. Saha. Now, Mrs. Saha looking at Mr. Saha and she said, that reminds me, dear, please don't forget the TV has to be packed and put in the special van. Now, she is saying that remind me that we should not forget the TV. TV has to be packed and put in the special van. Mr. Saha, oh yes, of course. I won't forget the TV. Ah, my TV. I love it so much. Of course means use as a polite way of agreeing with something. So he agreed. He said, yes, we should not forget our TV. We have to pack it and put in the special van. So till here we have understood that uh, they are discussing about the household items, what should be taken with them and what should be left. And here they have mentioned two items, that is bookshelf, which they think it's old and it's a very big, so it will occupy lots of space. So they were discussing about that they will not take the bookshelf. And then they have discussed about the TV, that TV they have to pack and put in the special van. So till here we came to know that maybe they will not take bookshelf, but they will take TV with them. Now we'll see the next scene. In the second scene, what's happening? And the second scene, when the curtain opens, the second scene is at the Saha's living room at night. It is the late at night. The Sahas are fast asleep. Now it is late at night and Sahas were sleeping. Now, suddenly all the household items came into life and they started talking to each other. Star, hey folks, did you all hear today how much Mr. Saha loves me? I am going to their new house for sure, and that too in a special van. City life, here I come. Now, as you can see, Star. Star is the TV. He said to the other household items that did you heard that Mr. Sahas love me very much, because Mr. Saha says na that I that yeah my TV, I love you so much. So all these household items were listening it. So when they got the live, so this TV Star has repeated the same thing. He said that have you heard that Mr. Saha loves me most, and I am sure that I am going with them in a special van to the new house. And he was very excited. He was saying that city life, here I come. He was very excited to know that he is going to the city. He is moving to the city. Woody, yes, we heard it all, and I am happy for you indeed. Well, some of us aren't so lucky. Some of us won't be going to the new house like me. Now, Woody, who's Woody? Woody, remember? Woody is a bookshelf. So already we know that Sahas discuss about Woody and the star and the TV. So Woody was very upset because he thought that Sahas will not take him with them, because he said that yes, we heard, and Woody was very happy for star, for TV, because TV is going with the Sahas. So he said maybe I am so unlucky, I am not going, and maybe others also are not going, but you are very lucky that you are going with them. Then suddenly Rocky said, don't be upset, Woody. You served the family for so long. Now it's your time to rest. Now Rocky, who is Rocky? The rocking chair of grandfather. So he said that Woody, don't get upset. He consoled Woody that don't get upset. You have served this family. Serve means you have been useful to this family for so long. So it's your time to take rest. So don't get upset. You should be happy that you are having the rest now. You are going to have a rest now. Woody said, I guess so, but I will miss the family a lot. Now he is very upset. He is saying that I am going to miss the family a lot, as the family is moving and I'll be left here alone. So he was saying that he's saying that he was going to miss the family a lot. I thought I had served them well enough to be with them forever. Woody thought that he has served the family so long, so he thought that maybe these Sahas will take Woody with them. Then Mr. Freezy, who is Mr. Freezy? Yes, the refrigerator. He said, cheer up, Woody. Once upon a time, you were the family's most favorite piece of furniture. Live with that memory, buddy. Now, Freezy said that cheer up, Woody, you should be happy that once upon a time you were the most favorite piece of furniture of this family. So you should be live with those good memories and don't think about future. Don't think about what's going to happen tomorrow. Just live with that good memories. Woody said, perhaps, but now I am old and broken. I won't look nice in their modern house. Modern house means the present house where they are going to shift, the new house. So Woody said, maybe I have served them. Maybe I was a favorite one, but now I am broken and old. So I will not look good in their new house, and that is why they will not take me with them. Then Rocky said, in a way, we are all going to begin a new life, Woody. Star will see life in a city. Woody will be sold to a new house, to a new home and a new family. Then Rocky again said, Rocky is very positive one. And see, he is saying that every one of us are going to have a new life. Maybe we'll go with Sahas, or will be left behind, or will be sold to another family. Uh, Somehow or another, we are going to start a new life only. Then Star said, I am sure my life is going to be much more exciting than any of yours. I am a star, the special one after all. Now here you can see Star is becoming very proudy, and he said that maybe we are going to start a new life, but my life is going to be more exciting than any one of us. He said that he is going to live a very exciting and good life than the others, because he's a star, his name is a Star, and he is the favorite one. Then Rocky became angry and he said, you are wrong, Star. We all will have new life, new exciting lives in some way or the other. A change is always exciting. Here Rocky said that maybe you are going with Sahas, and maybe we will not go, and we will go to with another family. So we are starting a new life. So and change is always exciting. Change is always good. Mr. Freezy. And what's more important is that no matter what happens, we will all be friends forever. Then Mr. Freezy said that whatever will happen tomorrow we'll see. But what's not changed, that is we will always be friends forever. Then Rocky said, I couldn't have said it better myself, that I have said this already to myself. Star says, yes, yes, sure, we will be, means we will be friends forever. Then Woody said, thank you everyone. I feel much better now after having conversation with each other. Now Woody felt better this time, and he said that thank you everyone. I feel much better now. So till here we have completed two scenes. In the next video we will complete the next two scenes. Now, do you think that the Star is saying right? He become proudy. Do you think that it's good? He is correct? Just think about this answer, and have a guess that what's going to be in the next scene. Who all are going with Saha's family? Who all will be left in this house? And read this chapter again. Thank you.